Over half of today's active homebuyers want to buy a new home, yet only 10% of all homes sold each year are new. Why? Buyers expect that they can personalize their new home with lifestyle-enhancing technology, only to find that their choices are limited. 2 decades ago, the auto industry identified a similar opportunity. Customers were adding aftermarket alarms, sound systems, remote starters, and more to their brand new cars. Today, a technology platform is built into the car, adding safety, comfort, and connected lifestyle elements. And as a result, new car sales have skyrocketed. The Elan New Home program gives homebuilders the same advantage. Our smart and connected home technologies are easy for homebuyers, and our connected home strategies integrate into the selling and design center process, helping builders sell more homes. New home builders who enhance their new home personalization choices are seeing the benefits. Elan develops personalized, connected home standards and upgrades, coupled with the marketing tools, training, and support to make your connected home benefits shine through to your buyers, helping to sell homes faster and with more value, all while keeping you on schedule. Elan, part of Nortec Security and Control, has been connecting the smart home experience for 25 years with systems in millions of households. The Elan Home Control platform is scalable, open, and flexible, integrating security, climate, lighting, shades, locks, garage doors, surveillance, pools, irrigation, home entertainment, remote access, and more. Elan's easy-to-use, one-app solution keeps homeowners connected and in control of every part of the home. Add more value to your homes with the Elan New Home program. Contact us to learn how.